watching what Grey Kitten is up to. Let's see, where's my Grey Kitten? He's watching birds. He wants to hunt birds. But every time failure comes in his way,